In this video today, guys, I'm going to walk you guys step by step on how you can trade the futures market, right, in Bybit exchange. So if you're just coming across this video, kindly make sure you subscribe to this video and turn on this video notification and check on this video description. Going to see our official Telegram group. Now, this is how our official Telegram group looks like, right, which you can see over right here, right. So right now we have a crypto trading board that trade the market for you, the futures market for you. And over right here, we also have a forex trading board. Like today, these are the close profit with our forex trading board. So right, the purpose of this forex and crypto trading board is for people that doesn't have time because of their work schedule, or who are still scared of them opening trade. So once you come into here, you write admin is going to tell you some things you are going to do for you to get the forex or the crypto trading board and arbitrage signal. We normally give arbitrage signals also, right? So right now, let's move to the main topic right here. So right, first and first over here, this is my Bybit exchange right now. So I'm going to show you how you can deposit first and first, right? Now, if you want to deposit, now you just for you to come to deposit over right here. So once you come to deposit, right, you allow it to show. Then you decide if you want to use the P2P, you want to use crypto deposit, or you want to buy with Naira, depending in the country you are staying, right? So only use deposit from crypto, right? Once you click crypto, then you search for maybe USDT, or you want to deposit with BTC or USDC. In this case, I love going with USDT. Then you click here, right? So once you click right here, you allow it to show, right? So you choose any network of your choice. So if you want to use the BSC, right, you want to use Ethereum, you want to use Tron, so you go ahead and click it. In this case, I'm not going to deposit because I already have a little funds in my Bybit exchange right here. Now once you deposit, automatically, right, the money is going to show in funding. Now if the money shows in funding, you will not be able to trade. Okay, right, let me just swear. Okay, I think I have 2.44 USDT, right? So if you deposit, the money will come to funding. In this case, my money is already in unified trading. So what you will do next for you to come to this transfer, take note of this transfer. Let's allow it to load. Right now, once your money land in funding account, what you will do is for you to make sure from funding account to unified trading. If your money is not in unified trading, you will not be able to trade. So right, for you to come here and click, maybe you click here. If your money was in USDT in funding, then you do max right here automatically. Then you press confirm. Right, so once you press the confirm, let's say for instance I have like $100, right, for instance. Then once I click on that $100, it's going to show available balance. Then I'm going to place confirm. Once I'm done with that, beam, the next thing for me to do is for me to come to market right here, right. Take note of this. If your account is here, spots, we are not trading the spot market, we are trading only the futures market. Then you switch to futures. Then I'll go ahead and say, for instance, I want to select any token of your choice, right? Then let's say I want to trade Solana, right? So go ahead and boom, click on here. Then if you want to use isolated, right, you click on this isolated, right? Now if you should use this isolated, it means that if your account goes loss, if you don't put stop loss, you are going to use only the amount that you used to open trade that is going to go on loss. But if you should go to cross, it means it's going to cross to your main balance. It's going to affect your main balance, right? So take note of that. Now you go ahead and check here. We have market, we have limit order, right? So limit order doesn't execute so fast, right? So when you use market order, right, market order execute so fast. Right now in this case, I'm going to use market order, right? So now this is how you can place this trade right now. Then you just come here, it's okay, this amount you want to use, or you can just decide to put any amount of your choice. Then if you want to sell, you press short. If you want to buy, you press long. So we have long and short right now. So let me check what I'm doing right here. So okay, so right now we'll go ahead and say, okay, for instance, let me short, right? I just short the Solana right now. Then I'll go ahead and come to this list right now. All right, so how do we set your take profit, right? Then you come right here, you can see set TP and SA, and you click right here. Once you click right here, you drag here, then you also drag the downside, right? Now, as you can see, it depends on how many percentage you want, right? Okay, now after you have done with that, you go ahead and click confirm. All right, now let's go back to the chart. You can see right now, since I did short, the upside now is my SL and the downside now is my TP, right? So this is how you open trade in futures trading in Bybit exchange.